Sakto mo lawas, ha? Kabalo kag uli. Asa ka gaskwela? Stephen. Sa grade nimo? Senior high? College? First year college. So, unsay course nimo? Wow, architecture. Madi ka mo drawing? Drawing daw ko. Dila, kaya. Anyway, stretch muna natin yung lawas. Okay. Nice. Is this your first time?
Yes, sir.
So far, flexible mo yung lawas no. So there's nothing to worry about. So, okay. Sit down. Posture. Nice. Okay, hayang. Tulog ka? Okay. Sige. Sige, forward pa dire. Yan, diyan lang. Yan, want you to relax lang, ha? There's nothing to worry about. Just relax. Wow. Oof. Oof. Grabe. Kamadlok? Not good thing. Kamadlok. Na-briefing galing ka eh. Na-briefing na galing ka. Ooh. Okay, kumo kuya. Good. So, stretch lang natin. Relax. Nice. Same as left side. Yeah, kumo pa. Ay mo sa relax lang. Ooh. So, this time around, yan naman ta. First, stretch muna natin. Ooh. Nagutok ng lawas ba? Okay, pikas. Dari ka tagilid. No, tagilid ka. Dito bang?
Hey.
Yeah, tagilid. Okay. So first, is ato sa ikon yung mga lawas. Okay, anak siya, straight ni kuya. Sige, straight. Straight. And then, kamat ni Mayana. Yeah. So, ibutang lang dia. Yeah. Then, relax lang. Okay. So, I want you to inhale, exhale, ha? Okay, inhale. Yeah, inhale. Then, exhale. Tikas naman.
Same thing niya.
Yeah, same Japan. So, relax lang. There's nothing to worry about. Layo kayo ka, forward na ka. Yeah, same as you do. So, I want you to feel comfortable, ha? Wow! Ay! Okay, dito naman yung ulo, kuya. So, still, hayang Japan. Nice. Let's relax. This left side. Wow. And 4. Nice. Nice. Okay. Tiri naman yung ulo kaya balik ka. So, kulob ka balik. No, kulob. Yeah. That's right. Okay. So, I want you to relax. Nice. Same as this. Nice. Force. Okay. So, inhale, exhale ko ya. Inhale, then exhale. Nice. Again, inhale, exhale. Nice. Inhale, and exhale. Nice. Okay, hayang naman ka kuya. Do some spine adjustment. Sige, this time, ubos ka. Diyan lang. Okay. So, still, close your eyes lang and then focus mo pag inhale, exhale, ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, taas. Wait. So, yeah, relax. Make sure naka-relax yung muscle. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Wow. Grabe. Okay. Lingkod ka kuya. Dito to ba? Dito. Lingkod. Yeah. Inside pa dere. Okay. So, start ka dere sa mga. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Nice. Okay, then kamay sa batok. Both hand. Stiff oh. Okay, lock yung mga kamot yan. Diya sa may batok. So, good. Okay, relax lang. Shoulder down, relax. Ooh. Okay, balik ko log. So, how do you feel? Higaan yung lawas. Yeah, like ganyan, di ba? Nice. Feet. Wow. Okay, you're done. Grabe. So, how do you feel? Feel good? Yes. Hindi na kayo sakit. Ano mo, same posture. More likely, right side mo ganyan ang pinaka-concern